Hello guys, I'm Mercy Kinyoga. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel is all about cooking and fun. Here we cook different type of food with different ingredients and less spices. Our recipe today, we are going to prepare fruit salad, and I have already made my fruits. I have chopped them into small pieces. Now I have fruits like bananas, I have watermelon, I have pawpaw, I have my lemon here, and also I have my honey here. And because already I have chopped them into small pieces, now I'm going to mix them in one bowl. Here I have my and because I only have few types of fruit which I didn't got more from the supermarket. Now I have also grapes. I'm only going to use few of them, not too much, only to make it colorful. Now I'm going to mix them. I have my honey. I'm going to add my honey, only a bit of it. Then I'm going to grate for lemon. I only need this green part for my lemon. Sawa, nitakupea, goja. Shika. Karibu. I'm only going to use the green part, and I don't want the white part because it is a bit bitter. And then I squeeze my juice. Then after squeezing my juice, I have to mix them. And I also have to grate I didn't have many fruits, so I only had 4 types of fruit, and that's what I have used. You can use much, you can use more. There is no limit. You can use as much as possible. Now I'm already done with my fruit salad, and this is the end result of my fruit salad. Guys, that's all about it for today. Tomorrow we are going to prepare something else. Please be with me on time. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Mercy Kinyoga. Search me as Mercy Kinyoga. You will find me. Please subscribe, comment, share, like, and also feel free to ask any question. I will answer it one by one. Let's meet tomorrow. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah.